To show you how video SEO works, I'm going to show you one of my recent videos, show you the tags that I've used, show you the titles that I've used, and also the description. Here on screen is one of my recent videos, how to add chapters to your videos, YouTube timestamps under 2 minutes. Now, that is the title of the video. Now, if we look inside the tags, we have got this opening part of the text there in the tags here, which is how to add chapters to your videos. We've also got how to add chapters to your videos using timestamps. The word timestamps is also in the tags there. We've also got how to add chapters to your YouTube videos, how to add chapters to your videos using timestamps, how to timestamps for YouTube, how to timestamp your videos, and it goes on and on around one singular topic. I've also included some of those keywords and phrases in the opening paragraph as well. In this video, you will learn how to add chapters to your videos, also known as timestamps for YouTube videos. So these are all keywords and phrases which I've used within my video. So when you've uploaded your video to YouTube and just before you've published it, you really want to concentrate on working on your title. You want to work on your tags and work out what the tags are that you want to use. And then also use some of the title and the tags within your description in a sentence, which makes up a nice opening paragraph. So in that tip, I've just explained the basics of video SEO. So if anybody wants to implement that within each video and get all 3 areas singing, you have more of a chance of being found on YouTube and being recommended to the right people. That's it from this video, guys. If you did get something out of it, please hit the like button, because this will help this video to be distributed to like-minded individuals who are looking to grow their YouTube channel. If you want to support my channel, you can hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I will look forward to seeing you in another video, guys. You stay classy.